vote. No power, no vote. No power, no vote. No power, no vote.
No power, no vote. That's the message from angry Phoenix residents. Some community members have threatened to boycott the upcoming general elections if electricity is not restored, saying they've been in the dark for more than 2 weeks. Some residents have not had water for days. Many residents, young and old, took to the streets to vent their frustration, burning refuse that's been piling up in their yards. Residents here say they protested peacefully but were allegedly tear-gassed and shot at with rubber bullets.
When people are getting raped, when people are getting murdered, y'all are not coming. When this is happening, y'all fast to run to come and shoot at us and tear gas us. It's not right what y'all are doing. It's not right. My 10-year-old son got tear gassed.
We told the police we are not going to vandalize, we are not going to destroy. We just want answers. We want at least a time frame from today. When can we expect electricity? We've not been responded to, but the response they gave us is this police.
New month, we just bought groceries. I have a dad that's a pensioner at home. I'm a single mom. I have a kid to support. We've got no food in our fridge. We've got no food in our freezer. We had to throw everything away. How do we manage without power?
All the things are throwing because all is rotten. Now we want the power and water too. Otherwise, we can't vote if we not get this thing.
There's no power, there's no vote.
Where's part? Children are writing exams. How are they supposed to study if there's no electricity?
Pay our power, we pay our bills. When we don't pay, they want to come and disconnect. Now when there's no power, they're going to tell us, no, we still have to pay. How do we pay when we don't get the power? We don't get water. This water situation is going on for months and months and months.
Calling upon the government, the mayor, please. You've been giving us different stories every day. We are fed up. We are fed up. We understand people are striking, but at the end of the day, we are paying for service delivery and we demand that it gets done.
The eThekwini municipality says negotiations with Samwu are ongoing. The city's Mayor Mxolisi Kaunda says 81 employees are on precautionary suspension for misconduct and over 1,800 employees have been given notices of misconduct. A further 88 employees have been dismissed. Kaunda also confirmed the death of a supervisor at the cemetery and crematoria department in Umlazi. He was vague on the cause of death but attributed it to violent acts of criminality.
We want to appeal to members of the community to be patient as we have started already to restore basic services in their respective areas. We fully understand their frustration as some of them have been without water and electricity for a number of days. Therefore, we want to plead with the committee members to refrain from blockading roads because it poses yet another challenge to our already strained resources. When roads are blocked with burning tires, our staff is delayed and at times prevented from reaching areas to resolve water and electricity faults. We are all committed to bringing the situation in the city to normalcy, and we are confident that the engagements we have started with all affected parties will yield desired outcomes going forward.
The city of eThekwini says it will also be filing a civil litigation claim on damage to its infrastructure alleged to have been caused by striking municipal workers affiliated with Samwu, as it has incurred damages of 10 million rand. Meanwhile, 13 eThekwini municipal workers were granted bail of 2,000 rand each in the Durban Magistrates Court after appearing on charges which include public violence and damage to essential infrastructure. For SABC News, I'm Jade Paulser in Durban.
Earlier, we spoke to the eThekwini Metro Police Head, Sibonelo Mchunu, about the situation on the ground in Durban.
All our members are fully aware that no matter what, they can't go on an industrial action because any form of industrial action by law enforcement agencies will result into loss of life. And they took a vow when they got involved in the department that they will not go into those activities. We are on the recruitment drive to employ 400 recruits every year, every financial year. We were overwhelmed by the strike. It was not anticipated. In fact, the dispute issues are things that are discussed at the national level. The municipality had no control over many of the disputes. So it's an ongoing process between us and SABC. It's not an issue of they were helping us or we were helping them. We always have to deal with the issues together in eThekwini, and I think it's one of the municipalities where SABC and Metropolis work very, very well.